All right, so we did round one. It was just a muffler delete, and he said it's too quiet, so we put it back in. Chevy Silverado 2021. There's a cat up there, 4-cylinder turbo, 3-inch pipe all the way. We did a muffler delete earlier, about 5 minutes ago, and now we did a resonator delete right there, and still stuck with the same tip. There's the resonator we cut off right there, straight through, but it takes a lot of the sound away. There's that nice tip we put on it right there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. So now it's got a muffler delete and a resonator delete with 4-inch tip. So now it's straight pipe, basically. Cat back. 2021 Chevy Silverado 4.3 liter V6. Really beautiful truck. We got factory converters there and there. It's got less than, I think, 10,000 miles on it. Then these don't come with a third cat, so you can true dual them. They find, since 21, I've seen a few of them, they don't put the third cat no more, so it's perfect. We can true dual them again. Then what we did is 3-inch pipe all the way back, and we put a Dynamax race bullet, 24-250. Then a Y pipe, U4-4, 3-inch to 2.5. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side. There and there. There's a Dynamax race bullet. There. Into 4-inch double-walled rolled stainless steel tips. I always love these tips. If you want tips that don't rust and change color, always get these. Because when they roll on themselves like this, what it does, it keeps the heat on the inside, not the outside. So it never changes color. And always, every time you wash the truck or car, clean them. Wipe them down also. As you guys can see, and they always stay fresh and clean. And like always, guys, please subscribe, because it helps us keep going and keep bringing these videos to you guys. This is the muffler. It comes with this baffle. Make sure you cut the baffle off, or it will rattle when you cut the muffler off. And there's the tailpipe. Again, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Appreciate it. And there'll be a link in the description for everything we offer. 2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Beautiful truck. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. There's a third converter, flex pipe, 3-inch pipe, and then we put a Y pipe setup, straight pipe, right there, out the back, on each side, all the way straight out the back, into 4-inch tips, there and there. Chevy Silverado Flex Fuel LTZ. 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71. One of my favorite motors is in it, the 6.2 liter V8. Beast of a truck. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys is got stock converters there and there. Then a factory third converter right there. Then 3.5-inch pipe. Then what we got done on it for you guys is Y pipe duals. Straight pipe duals there and there, mandrel bend tailpipes, into 4-inch angle cut tips, there and there, black. He didn't want it too big, too loud. He wanted it loud, but not big, so we'll see how he likes this one, and we'll go from there. This is the muffler, resonator, and tailpipe we cut off right there. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. And it is the LTZ, so it's the fully loaded trucks, which I don't blame them for doing. Please comment and subscribe. Now you can hear it spool. Better? Turbo. Oh, I love that whistle, man. Now you can hear it. Again? Yeah, see, 106 was 99. 109. Go ahead and back it out. But the whistle is what really gets it. That whistle's beautiful.
No, that's what I'm missing.
That's what you wanted? Yeah, it's a lot better. Yeah, from now on I won't recommend no mufflers on it, just straight pipe on the 4 cylinders. Wow, that whistle sounds awesome. Let you guys hear on the inside. 2021 Silverado. Dynamax Race Bullet. Oh my God, it's so loud. Wow. Sound decibels. Again. 112. That's loud. That's awesome. Those tips, you don't see them on any of the other Silverados. It's the first ones we put on them. They look really good on it. I like it. I like that stance. Yeah, it's not bad. Go ahead. Oh man, it's so loud. Camera don't give it justice. That's awesome. Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. Sound decibels. Right, peaks like 103. It's okay. It's not gonna be too loud. Those catalytic converters take a lot of the sound away. Run, run, run! Much better. Woo. Again? It's 110. I see the 113. Oh, 113 again? I'm on. Yeah, 117. Heck yeah.
That's the highest I've ever seen.
Is that 6.2?
That's why I was so excited to do
Yeah.
that. I was like, dude, it's gonna sound bad.
Yeah, you gotta do that third cat, dude. We gotta change that cat out. You'll open it up even more. Next paycheck. Yeah. Woo. Dirty, dirty. Again? That sounds really good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 4-cylinder turbo. There's a Ford, there's a Chevy. Ford, Chevy, Chevy, Ford. Got a nice lift kit on it. There's the idle. Yeah, spooling up sounds like a diesel. It whistles crazy. Not bad. What do you guys think? Oh man, this sounds good. You can still hear it. '2009 Silverado. These trucks never disappoint. They always sound good. Like ship them? We don't do shipping, bro. If you go on the videos, there's links to all the tips and everything we do.